If you look at that right there, the glazing.
Oh,
wow.
And it's juicy. You see a steam coming off of
It
that?
looks exactly what you'd get at a Korean fried chicken shop.
Hey, Visit Seoul TV.
I'm Xander.
And I'm Happy.
And we are
We Fancy.
And welcome to 29.99 Seoul, which was meant to be a travel show, but it's turned into a cooking show.
And today we're going to be teaching you an awesome Korean recipe, Korean fried chicken.
The best food.
World
Renowned. The true meaning of KFC. You know what I'm saying?
Today we're not just doing a regular fried chicken, we're doing a honey butter fried
Woo.
chicken, which used to be a massive trend in Korea.
Huge.
We're bringing it back.
You can cook along with us at home because all of these ingredients are readily available in your countries too.
There are two lists of ingredients. First, to prepare your chicken, and the other is for your sauce. These are the ingredients you're going to need for the chicken.
About 2 pounds of chicken.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper.
2 eggs.
1/4 cup of potato starch.
1/4 cup of all-purpose flour.
Half a teaspoon of baking powder.
Cooking oil.
And for the sauce, these are the ingredients you'll need. 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter.
2 cloves of garlic.
1/4 cup of white or brown sugar.
2 teaspoons of soy sauce.
2 teaspoons of honey.
Season your chicken with the salt and pepper.
Mix your potato starch, flour, baking powder, and eggs in a bowl. This is your batter.
Cover your chicken pieces in the batter.
Heat your oil over high heat for 5 to 7 minutes.
It should be around 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Or 176 degrees Celsius.
If you don't have a thermometer, just dip a tiny piece of your chicken into the oil.
If it starts bubbling, it's hot enough.
Put the chicken pieces into the oil one by one.
Let them cook until golden brown.
Remove the chicken and let it cool for a minute.
Then put them back in the oil.
Cook for another 7 to 8 minutes.
This is called double frying.
Use a sieve to remove the chicken and let it cool.
Now onto the sauce. Heat up another pan.
Add your butter and garlic and stir until the garlic turns fragrant and a little crispy.
Then add your soy sauce and sugar.
When it's all melted together, add your honey. Keep stirring until it bubbles vigorously.
Then add your chicken.
Stir well to coat evenly.
If you know how to do it, do a pan flip.
Then your chicken is ready to eat. Et voila! Very first attempt at frying anything in my entire life.
It was scary.
It was the most dangerous thing too.
Yeah, it's super
It
hot.
bubbled a lot.
So make sure that if you're doing this, that you have someone maybe with you who's done frying before, because it was our first time.
Yeah, or you could just buy a riot shield and go like. Anyways, let's see if they're fully cooked.
Wow, if you look at that right there, the glazing.
Oh,
Wow.
And it's juicy. You see a steam coming off of
It
that?
looks exactly what you'd get at a Korean fried chicken shop. It's amazing. Wow. Let's do a taste test.
Mmm.
Oh.
Yo, that sauce.
Wow.
Oh my god, that sauce is so good.
Oh, wow. I'm so impressed.
Oh my goodness. Oh, and the white meat parts are good too. Not too dry. Since it was our first time, something to improve on. Less batter per piece of chicken. So make sure that your batter is only like very thinly put on the chicken.
Oh my god.
This is still supposed to be super crunchy because of the double fry. But because the batter was too thick, it didn't cook the batter all the way through. It wasn't as crunchy as it was supposed to be. But the flavor. You know what else would have made this better?
Boneless chicken.
Sunsal chicken.
So that's another recipe we've done. Oh, yes.
Great success too.
We've done so many episodes now. That's nearly a week's worth of Korean food you could eat.
And I don't think we've ever failed.
We've never
We've
failed.
never failed.
We've never failed.
This is a great success.
This is amazing. So if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you're subscribed to Visit Seoul TV, where we will be doing this every 2 weeks.
So do keep coming back because we're going to be showing you many, many, many more awesome Korean recipes.
Also leave a comment down below for any recipes you want us to try.
And as always, stay fancy.